Hey, welcome back to Curious Cub Science Quest. So, we already learned about observation and inference. And now, it's time to learn about the scientific method. And, don't worry. We'll make it super simple and fun. Every scientific discovery you know starts with a question. For example, why do plants grow faster in sunlight? This is the first step. Next, scientists collect information. They read books, watch experiments, and learn from others. This helps them, understand the problem better. Hypothesis means an educated guess. For example, plants grow faster because of sunlight. It's just a guess, not the final truth. Now comes the fun part. Scientists test their idea. For example, they might put one plant in sunlight and another plant in shade. Then, they just watch and see what happens. They check what happened, which plant grew more. This helps them figure out if their guess was actually correct. Finally, they decide, was the hypothesis correct or wrong? If it was wrong, they try again. That's how science works. Let's quickly revise, okay? First, ask a question. Then do research. Next, make a hypothesis. After that, experiment. Then analyze. And finally, conclusion. That's the scientific method. Let's test your brain, Curious Cubs. Question 1. Which is the first step? Is it A, experiment, B, ask a question, or C, sleep? Question 2. What is a hypothesis? Is it A, final answer, B, guess, or C, observation? Question 3. Why do scientists experiment? Comment your answer below. Let's see who is a real scientist. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Curious Cub and press the bell icon and get ready for the next topic, Tools of Science, What Scientists Use. It's going to be super exciting. Till then, stay curious, stay smart.